everyone. Today we are going to learn about autoencoders in machine learning. So autoencoders are an unsupervised learning example, and they are just neural network in which input data is fed to our not network and output data is generated, and the generated output data is exactly the same as the input data. It is not a data, copied input data, but a wholly newly generated output data as it has learned some features. So here we can see our input image. We can see our input image. This is one of the image of MNIST dataset. Now we are doing encoding on it. We are providing it with our autoencoder code. Now decoder is being added, and our output image is an initial image which our network has learned. When our network will learn more and more, this image will be more clear to us. This will look more alike than input image if we'll just do a lot of iteration, or we will increase the accuracy of the network. So how can we apply it? How can we apply? So this is the architecture of autoencoders. It includes two artificial neural network, one in encoder and other in decoder. Now we have given all the theory about the artificial neural network and input data, what are the input function, net input function, and everything. Coming to the code, we are going to take MNIST dataset. It contains various number with different pixel values. So initializing the library here, initializing all the library. For training and testing, we are using sklearn.model selection and NumPy, Matplotlib, Pandas are the basic libraries. Importing Keras, I find out you can use TensorFlow or you can use Keras. That's all up to you. We are using layers, input, tense activation to activate neural network in encoder and decoder. Now this is, we are just initializing our dataset, which is MNIST dataset, splitting the dataset with the help of training and testing library which we have initialized here. Now implementing autoencoders, as I have told you, we have input data, now embedded data and output data. This is nothing but encoder, code and decoder. So now autoencoder or summary will tell us some features about the data, their shape, density, how many layers are there, and how many parameters are included. And if we compile the autoencoder, the data set which the result which we will get after testing and testing over this data is this output. We can see the original image and we can see regenerated images. Now we can increase the accuracy for this regenerated image. You have to just take care of the iterations and many other factors to increase this accuracy. We have quite basic accuracy of, I guess, 75%. You can always do better. So that's it for the day.